Hi, I'm Verity, a consultant here at Total Calibration. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick overview of the lazy approval feature using Nintex Workflows in Office 365. Lazy approvals are useful when you have tasks you need to action, but you don't have immediate access to your SharePoint site. So you can review and approve or reject your tasks using your email. Today, I'm going to show you the process of creating a purchase order or a store requisition request using Nintex Forms and Workflows to automate the process. So first, an employee completes the request by accessing the form, usually by the global navigation at the top, maybe a quick link along the side, or even in your case, you've got something right there on the home page. And what they'll actually do is open up a new form to fill in. The form pre-populates the employee's names as the requester, although I can change that name if I want to submit the form for someone else. Now, most of the fields that you're looking at are free text fields. If you want to, you could have a drop down here of the suppliers that you let your employees request purchases from. Then you fill in the form. So you simply got your catalog number if you use those, how many of the items that you want, how much they cost, and a description. Now, if I have multiple items from the same supplier, I might add in a new row and fill in that. You can do a few different things with these forms. You could add up all of the costs, for example. Now, if you do an add up the costs, you might have different things that happen. So say you've got something that's worth over $500 as a request, you might send that straight to the CFO for approval, bypassing the manager. If your manager can approve things up to the 500 level, they might go just to the manager. So you might have workflow approvals going in different directions, or you can have multi-step approvals, again, going in the direction that you want them to. Now, in this case, I will nominate myself as the approver so that you can see all of the notifications. You can have files attached so that they can support their purchase request with evidence of how they've done their research. And then basically you just submit that form. You can have these forms available on your mobile and on your tablet and obviously on your desktop as well. Now we'll just check the email so that you can see what they look like. Now I've got an email that goes through to the requester. I've got one that goes through to the approver. You might have one that is simply sent to someone else as a CC. So we'll just wait a minute for those to come through. So you can see that this has come through now. This is an approval for Verity Hanson as the requester. That would populate their name there. It's got a unique ID, so in this case it's the 11th form that we've put in, and that will never be overwritten. You can simply approve and reject straight away at that point. What we've done in this case is actually embed the details of the form here, so you don't actually need to open up the site and have a look at the form itself. We have got a link though, so that you can do that if you want to. In this case, it's pretty simple though. We're going to approve it, and we'll just say comment, no worries, know that you needed this. And then we'll click approved. At that point, the requester will get an email to say it's been confirmed. If someone else actually purchases those supplies for you, you might send an email to them requesting them to do the purchase. So you can do whatever you like at that point. You can see it was really nice and easy to be able to do that purchase order online. So the key points really are that it's easy to use, that you can approve or reject requests using your email, and you don't even need to get onto your intranet. Any questions, of course, just send them through. Cheers.